If you want the look of tile without mortar or mess, peel and stick wall tile is an excellent option, and you can install it yourself with the right prep and a few key steps. Start by making sure your wall is ready for installation. Repair any damage, add spackle to raise low spots and sand down high spots so the surface is even. Clean the wall thoroughly and allow it to dry. Apply a latex primer if recommended by the manufacturer, and let it dry completely before installing the tile. Before installing, let the tile sit in the room so it reaches the same temperature and humidity level as the space to avoid expansion or contraction. Use the measurements of your project area to dry fit the tiles in the pattern you plan to use. As you work, note any tiles you'll need to cut and check each tile for imperfections before installation. Align the first tile by positioning it against a 90-degree corner and a level countertop. Another option is to dry fit the tile and draw guidelines on the wall. Peel away the backing from the first tile. Start at an edge and apply it at an angle so you can adjust the alignment before it fully sticks. Then, press it down firmly. Continue placing the remaining tiles. Place them tightly together or slightly overlapping based on your instructions. You may need to cut tiles to fit your pattern or around outlets and switches. Make your cuts before removing the backing, using a utility knife or an appropriate cutting tool. Place the remaining rows in the same way, cutting tiles to stagger joints if necessary. Check the alignment as you go to keep everything straight and consistent. If your tile product allows, you can apply grout for a more traditional tile look. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for clean results. With the right prep and planning, you can give your wall a clean, updated look. Shop at Lowe's and find everything you need to get started on your project.